want to make fire. So you want to open up a 2D animation setup. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to world and we want to turn the strength to 0. Now we are in grease pencil mode. So we're going to go to the materials right here. And as you can see, there's the solid stroke. What we're going to do is we have stroke and then fill. So stroke, what we're going to do is we're going to have kind of like a reddish color. And then fill, what we're going to do is we're going to have a orangish color. What we need to do is we need to change it to ink pen. And that looks pretty good. Now, if we want to change the thickness of the red part, what we can do is hit F on the keyboard and we can actually increase the size of it. So I'm going to first draw a very basic fire. And as you can see, I'm just doing essentially a squiggly line. Now I'm going to move by 2 frames. The way I'm doing that is on my keyboard, I'm hitting the right key. So I'm on frame 3 and I'm going to be animating on 2. So every odd frame. So let me just do something like this. And this is the fun part about fire is it's alive. So every frame can be slightly different. And as you can see, we have a very chaotic fire. So that's what I absolutely love about fire is it doesn't really matter how good you can draw. You just draw a bunch of frames and it looks good. So the next thing we want to do is we want to add an effect. So we're going to add a glow effect. Now, by default, that's not necessarily what we want. We want 32 samples. Now, you can't see anything right now because we're in Teal Preview. So we need to go to render view. And just like that, now we have a really cool fire.